So we are here at LaGuardia Airport. This is my first time flying during the pandemic. Last time I flew, I was going to Cuba and coming back. This was around March something, right when they were closing everything down. When they started closing restaurants down where I live in Key West. And actually got out of Cuba the day before that they stopped having outgoing flights. So that was like my last opportunity to get out of there. So this is the first flight that I've had since then. I think back then, at that time, people weren't even wearing masks. So I was like in the airport. I don't think I had a mask yet at that time. And I was like feeling really sick and nauseous and worried. I guess it's from worrying about being there and like being in an airport and all the pandemic stuff going on. Because there was no mask wearing there, no rules, no one knew what to do yet. Now we're here. Round 2. It's been over a year since I've been on a plane. And this is what an airport in New York looks like. LaGuardia Airport. Time to check in. So I got Frontier. The ticket was $49 from New York City to Miami. Let's go ahead and log in. Passport, reservation number, credit card. I'll swipe my credit card. So boarding begins at 10:05. Right now it's about 7:20. Where is the checkpoint? Looks like that is it. No, it's crew member checkpoint. So I gotta find out where to go. I'll ask the nice people at Frontier, which are not there. That's not gonna happen. Oh, it's the spirit guys. There. Oh, it's like gate.
Yes, you did, right?
No, I didn't choose any luggage or carry-ons because look, I have like personal items. This is like a laptop bag. That's all I'm bringing. So, all right. Here's the gates. I guess I'll turn you off to get through because I'll probably ask for that. All right, so I got through security. That took absolutely no time. There's like no line, no one here. And if you're a shy vlogger, this is your day because there's like no one here. Like, there's not really much dining. Bars are closed. Is this normal? It might be. So this space is temporarily closed. See you soon. This is how it looks at LaGuardia Airport. See, there are some people dining and hanging out, so it's not like totally closed. Maybe it's just a slow flying day. Or maybe it's just the pandemic, no one's traveling. Period. Especially in New York. So the ticket that I got was $49, so that must be a thing. So I'm at C41. I know it's this way. So I'm here very early. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Ooh, look, bar. That one might be over there. I think that would be cool. Have a drink. But yeah, this is what it looks like here at the terminals. There's like 2 people there, 2 people there. One here looking at the signs. Chilling. And it's a rainy, gloomy day. All right, I might be able to get a charger too. Look, there's like a table over there. It says, "Stay safe and sanitize." Thank you, Delta. C29, C30. I think I'm all the way at the end there. Oh, I'm right here. C41. Wow, we have the best here. Let's pop it. Hi, man. So there's things popping up since the pandemic started. You can like rent a tablet and a charger. Well, a charger is probably free. It's pretty neat. I ate my sandwich. It was a good place. Yeah, let me chill for a little bit. Let's chill. There's no one here. I've realized that where I am is I'm at a Wibar. So these tablets aren't just for your entertainment. They're to order things like food and drinks. And the bar is right behind me. It's right back there. So I figure I might as well try something. I'm sitting here in their spots. I don't want to be a mooch or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and order a drink. But I do need more time. Sam Adams Boston Lager Draft, $18. I don't know. Bud Light, $9.45.
Do not
If I'm
leave
gonna
your
do something,
luggage
I'm gonna do an
unattended
IPA.
at any time.
Yes, I won't.
Do not transport any item for someone you do not know. If you believe that someone has tampered with your luggage, or a stranger approaches you about carrying a foreign object, contact an airline representative or the airport police immediately.
So it's totally empty right now, so it must be like in between flights. I don't really want to go anywhere because I like this seat. It has a charger, it has drinks. Who knows, maybe I'll end up getting another drink by the end of okay. Yes. Wow, it's big. God, thanks, man. God, this is, I like this. It's so really cool. Yeah, I just ordered the drink on the tablet. They brought it really quick. Getting Mr. He's happy. And I get to chill. I have like 2.5 hours till like the boarding starts. 3 hours until we depart, so I've got some time here. This is gonna be my only drink though. Screw that. No, do not try to sell me more drinks. I will not buy another one right now. No, I don't want pizza. I just had a sandwich. What should I critique the drink too? Lagunitas IPA. The taste. Lagunitas IPA tastes good. Let's try. Sabes que yo no como el pan tampoco normalmente. Sí, me crezco mucho. Great. Dicen que en estos juegos lo que ganas puedes usarlo para comprar tragos y comida. ¿Eso es posible? No way.
Yo no sé jugar.
Mira, estoy sacando todos.
En mi vida yo ponía un juego.
Oh, sí, los tablets. Me parece que me está haciendo experto de esta cosa.
La nueva generación.
Ajá. Thanks.
No, sí, thank you so much.
Pink Cadillac margarita. So I gotta make this last 2 hours.
No está bien tampoco porque
No, So it's 9:45, about an hour before the plane's going to leave. The boarding's probably in half an hour. And as you can see, there's a plane that just unloaded here at this terminal. And people are sitting down. I'd say like probably 40 to 50% of the seats taken up. If you look around, you'll see, there's a few people at the tables here, people sitting down, all over the place. But it's fine though. Everyone's chill, everyone's wearing their masks. I had my drinks. We're chilling. So pretty soon I'll get on the plane and I'll sit down and that'll be it. My first experience in an airport for about a year, over a year. All right.